What's up, everybody? This is James with Voxo announcing a new feature that we have for you guys. This feature is going to be a park feature where you are able to park a call in your UI for another user. All right, so we'll just hop right into it, and I will start by just making a call. I'm going to answer this call, show you how this works. Okay, so I'm on the phone with somebody, and I want to park this call for, say, another user. Now, in this example, I'm just going to park it for myself so I can show you how picking that call up works. So what you'll do here is just like a normal transfer, you'll click on the transfer conference button, and you'll see a new button here that says park for user. So what you'll do is enter the extension you would like to park for. In this case, I'm going to park it for myself. Click on James, and we're going to park this. You'll notice a notification that pops up here that says you have a newly parked call from the extension that parked it for you. And in your left here, you'll see a new widget. That's the park call in a button form where you can actually click to pick that up. Now, if you have push notifications enabled on the application, you will see a push notification on your operating system, whether it's Windows or Mac, and you can accept the park call from there and go ahead and pick it up directly, or you can just dismiss that notification and pick it up later here in the UI. So now all that's really left is to pick this call up. I'm going to click this button here. And there we go. I am now picked up on the call that was parked for me, and you're good to go. You just complete this call like normal. You can park it for somebody else. You can transfer it off to somebody else, just whatever works with your workflow. Hope you guys enjoy the new feature. Hope it's easy. If you have questions, just reach out to us on the support channel. We'll be glad to help you with it.